The TSA is warning all cell phone users, all travelers, not to use the charging ports at the airport. The attack is called juice jacking. And what happens, they use the USB ports to install malware and steal data from your device. And it's not just phones, it's any USB port, even for your computer. A much safer alternative is to use the regular plugins at the airports. They do make USB data blockers that only allow your device to charge, and I think you can get those on Amazon. The other thing the TSA is warning about is using public Wi-Fi. And honestly, in today's day and age, I don't use any public Wi-Fi regardless of what I'm doing. I always connect to either my phone or I use a MiFi. Another thing they recommend is just make sure that all of your devices are charged before you leave for the airport. So I'm curious, do you use public Wi-Fi or those USB ports?